Exodus Crypto Wallet Review. Exodus is a multi-chain crypto wallet that supports over 50 different blockchain networks. It allows users to store tokens from all of the supported networks in one seamless wallet. Exodus strives to provide a one-stop shop for your crypto needs, providing storage, cross-chain swaps, and staking while allowing users to interact with Web3-enabled sites. Exodus has apps for both Android and iOS mobile devices, as well as a browser plugin and a desktop client. Here's the pros and cons that I found in this app. Pros: number 1 is available on many systems and devices. Number 2 is it supports over 50 different blockchains and thousands of tokens. And last, number 3, in-app swaps for thousands of tokens. And for the cons, number 1 is it doesn't support the import of existing addresses. Number 2 is browser extension can be annoying for MetaMask users. Next is some of the key features that I found too in this app while I'm using it. Number 1, storage. Access coins and tokens from across all supported blockchains in one convenient wallet. Number 2, swaps. Exodus offers in-app swaps, allowing users to exchange crypto for a number of different tokens. Number 3, fiat on-ramp. Users can purchase crypto with fiat through MoonPay, Ramp, Sardine, and Robinhood Connect. Availability varies based on location, using either a debit or credit card. The crypto will be deposited directly into your Exodus wallet. Number 4, crypto staking. Exodus supports in-app staking for a dozen different tokens. Number 5, transaction export. Though this may not be a sexy feature, being able to easily export your crypto transactions is a must-have for anyone who needs to keep up with their tax liability. Exodus will export your transactions in a .csv file on a per-chain basis. Number 6, desktop and mobile apps. Exodus has apps available for both desktop and mobile platforms, allowing users to access their wallets and purchase crypto with an easy-to-use interface. And last, number 7, browser extension. The Exodus browser extension lets users access Web3-enabled websites and make transactions on supported blockchains using their Exodus wallet. But who's Exodus for? Exodus is for those who want to be able to easily buy coins and tokens with fiat and other crypto. Exodus is also great for those new to crypto. Their wide availability across devices, easy-to-use interface, and fiat on-ramp provide an excellent starting point for crypto newbies, or those who just want an accessible multi-chain wallet to help them store all of their accumulated coins and tokens. Exodus is not for someone who already has existing wallets and is hoping to manage them in one spot. Though Exodus can serve that function, you have to first get your funds into your Exodus-created wallets. And while you can import with existing private keys, the import process actually transfers the funds from the imported address into your Exodus wallet address, which is not quite the same as using Exodus to access an already existing blockchain address. And that's probably all I know about Exodus Wallet after I used it. Hope you learned something with me. Thank you.